Now it's raining, and you know that it has been raining since morning. But I am going to read this book for you. Look at the silent patient is there. So sometime when you are alone and you want to improve your language, grammar, you must read some books. So let's get started with the book, page number 68. Here we have, why did she do it? I suppose I'll never know. I used to think it was suicide. S-U-I-C-I-D-E, suicide. Now, I think it was attempted murder because I was in the car too. Wasn't I? Sometimes I think I was the intended victim. It was me she was trying to kill, not herself. But that's crazy. Why would she want to kill me? Tears collected in my eyes as I walked up the hill. I wasn't crying for my mother or myself or even that poor homeless man. I was crying for all of us. I was crying for all of us. Now that's the crux of the sentence is coming over here. There's so much pain everywhere, and we just close our eyes to it. The truth is, we are all scared. We are terrified of each other's. I'm terrified of myself, and I of my mother in me. Is her madness in my blood? Is it? Am I going to... No, stop. I'm not writing about that. I'm not. It is 20th July. And I mean, you can read the book when it is raining. And you see, you can listen to the sounds, the symphony of the raindrops. And you can feel that you are not alone. The drizzling is with you, and that drizzling is directly over to you. And now see, you don't need two words to, bombastic type of vocabulary. You just say that it's raining and the sight is wonderful. Sometimes it is slow down, it becomes slow down. So all these feelings are within you. But what you have to do, you have to think in English. Okay? The words are there. For example, this is an umbrella. Over this umbrella, the drops are dropping, are falling on and making sounds. And you are listening. So you can make on this umbrella. And there are many flowers. You can see the clouds in the sky. So in this way, you know how to speak English. You don't need to, use the phrasal or flowery words. You just have to make your mind that you are just thinking in English. And you see, on the top of this umbrella, there is a plastic, and you see some wires, and you see that some drops are there. That's beautiful. You can see the drops over here. And now see, the drops are trickling from this, see my back. So in all this side, what you have to do, you have to collect some words, and then you can arrange and make sentences. I'm standing under this umbrella. At present, I'm enjoying, and I'm waiting so the rain should stop, but it is not like that. And sometime I hear the sound of drizzling, is the sound of thundering as well. Sometime I listen to the chirping of the birds nearby. Reading a book, especially when it is raining. You see, a stream of consciousness is there. Your mind will work better, and particularly your problem. where you are stuck when you are unable to speak, just put your reservation in a few words, in a few sentences in the comment box, and then I'll upload another video for you. Thank you.